Hello children, have you ever been to a place where you see many animals together? What is that called? Yes, that is a zoo or हिंदी में हम कहेंगे चिड़ियाघर. So आज हम एक चिड़ियाघर के बारे में और उसमें एक lioness है. There is a lioness and a puppy. It's a story about a lioness. So how it is behaving. Animals don't like to be in the zoo, right? Because they feel trapped. Animals are meant to be free. They are meant to roam around free in the jungles. So when we capture them and trap them and keep them in a cage, they tend to be very angry. Just like how we are suffering in this corona time, right? How we are as if trapped in our houses, we can't go out because of this pandemic. So let us go through this story. Let us go through the mind map. Now चिड़ियाघर, that is the zoo. The story, ये कहानी, it's about a lioness, शेरनी, which is in a cage, पिंजरा. And then one day it meets a puppy, कुत्ते का पिल्ला. And then they both are happy. Then the story at the end, in between there is sadness, dukh hai. Then finally there is Anandi Anand, that is bliss or complete joy. Let us go through the word meanings. Anand, that is khushi, joy. Bhayankar, डरावना, that is scary. Garjan, जोर की आवाज. How does the lion roar? Like that, that is the roaring sound. Drishya, nazara, that is scene. Kookhar, bhayanak, fierce, fierce lion. Shant, chup, that is quiet. Pilla, that is kutte ka bachcha or puppy. Vyast, that is काम में लगा हुआ, that means busy. Gurrana, गुस्से में आवाज निकालना. ग्राउल. रक्षक, रक्षा करने वाला, that is the caretaker or the zookeeper. In this lesson it is the zookeepers or the guards. अनशन, कुछ नहीं खाना पीना, that means hunger strike, that you make a decision, I will not eat anything. Let me explain to you this lesson in short. There was this lioness, the sherni, and it was caught and kept in a cage. Now this is the cage. So this is the sherni. So what happened? It was very ferocious and it was so violent. It was not eating food for 3-4 days. And when the zookeepers came inside to take care of the lioness, it used to pounce on them and attack them. Everybody was so scared. And one day what happened? It was just sitting. It doesn't want to eat anything. Suddenly, a puppy from nowhere sneaked into the cage. And it started jumping on the lioness and playing with the lioness. The lioness was so happy that the puppy had come to give him company. Now both were giving company to each other. Both were enjoying each other's company. Then it started to eat food again, this lioness. Both were happy, playing, jumping on each other and having a good time. Then the zookeepers, they thought that maybe this lioness is thinking that the puppy is its child. So they thought that if this lioness comes to its senses and comes to know that this puppy is not a cub but it's a baby dog, then she may kill this puppy. So what did they do? Once when the lioness was busy eating, they slowly lifted the puppy out of the cage and out of the zoo. The lioness started searching, where is the puppy? Again it became ferocious and started to roar. And again it stopped eating. Again it was sad and didn't eat anything for again 3-4 days. And there actually the puppy had been taken by a shopkeeper's son. The puppy was roaming around and the shopkeeper's son, it saw the puppy and took him to its home and there tied the puppy with a rope. Then what happened? This zookeepers, they saw, oh, this lioness is not eating anything and if this continues, this lioness may die. And the zookeepers were scared that they may lose their job because it is their job to take care of these animals in the zoo. So what did they do? They started to search for that puppy. Where is the puppy? We need to bring that puppy back to the lioness. They made a search. They sent a search party and finally they found this puppy. They brought the puppy back again to the lioness. And then again they both started to play and jump and the lioness again started to eat food and become happy. Now both were happy again. Even the dog which was also not eating food in the shopkeeper's son's house, again the puppy also started to eat food. The lioness also started to eat food. Sherni Pilla. Okay, so children, this is the story. Chapter 8, Anand Hi Anand. Let us go line by line. चिड़ियाघर में कई तरह के पशु पक्षी रहते हैं. Many animals and birds live in a zoo. चिड़ियाघर. यह कहानी चिड़ियाघर में रहने वाली शेरनी की है. This story is about a lioness which is living in this zoo. वह अपने पिंजरे में घुस आए पिल्ले के साथ खेलती है. It's playing with a puppy which sneaked in its cage. उसका ध्यान रखती है. The lioness takes care of the puppy. फिर पिल्ले के दूर जाने पर खाना पीना बंद कर देती है. And it stops eating when the puppy is taken out of the cage and far from the lioness. कल हम चिड़ियाघर देखने गए थे. Yesterday we went to see the zoo. This is actually the boy is telling this story. फाटक से घुसकर थोड़ी दूरी पर ही गए थे कि शेर की भयंकर गर्जन सुनाई पड़ी. So we had just entered the main gate. फाटक is main gate or the gate, and had gone a little distance further that we heard the dreadful roar of a lion. शेर is lion. कुछ लोगों के इधर उधर भागने का दृश्य भी सामने आया. There was a scene of some people running here and there because they were scared of the lion. हम डर गए कि कहीं शेर पिंजरे से बाहर आकर किसी पर झपट तो नहीं पड़ा. We were afraid that the lion had come out of the cage and pounced on someone. फिर दो रोते हुए बच्चों की उंगली पकड़े उनके पिता उन्हें घसीटते हुए ला रहे थे. So this boy is seeing the story, who is telling the story. He saw that a father was dragging his two weeping children with their fingers, and उनकी माँ पीछे पीछे आ रही थी. Their mother was following them because these children were also near the cage and they were scared of this roar of the lion. पूछने पर पता चला कि एक शेरनी पिछले 3-4 दिन से भोजन नहीं कर रही है. On inquiring, it was found that a lioness, शेरनी, had not been eating food for the past 3 to 4 days. उसके पिंजरे में जैसे ही कोई घुसता है वह खूंखार रूप धारण कर लेती है और उस पर झपटती है. And if anyone tried to enter its cage, the caretakers or the zookeepers, it would take a ferocious form and pounce on them. चिड़ियाघर वाले भयभीत हैं. The zookeepers are terrified or scared. बच्चे उस शेरनी के पिंजरे के पास थे. The 2 children who were weeping and their father was dragging them, they were near the cage of this lioness. वे बहुत डर गए हैं और घर जाने के लिए रो रहे हैं. They have got very scared and are crying to go home. रोना is to cry. हमने थोड़ा बहुत चिड़ियाघर देखा और लौट आए. We visited the zoo a little and returned. लौट आए to return. 2 दिन बीत गए. 2 days had passed. प्रातः का समय था. So after they returned home, After 2 days, it was a morning time. दादाजी, that is grandfather or grandpa, समाचार पत्र पढ़ रहे थे, was reading the newspaper. Now this is the grandfather of the boy who is narrating the story. अचानक वे जोर जोर से आवाजें लगाने लगे. Suddenly he started calling out loudly, बच्चों जल्दी इधर आओ, जल्दी आओ. Children, बच्चों is children. Come here soon, come fast. जल्दी is fast. आओ is come fast. मैं और मेरी छोटी बहन वैदेही भागते हुए दादाजी के पास जा पहुंचे. Me and my younger sister, छोटी is younger sister, बहन वैदेही, we ran towards grandpa, दादाजी grandpa. दादाजी ने समाचार पत्र दिखाते हुए कहा, grandpa showing the newspaper said, देखो यही शेरनी उस दिन अपनी गर्जना से भयभीत कर रही थी. Look, this was that lioness which was frightening with her roar that day. So his grandpa is reading in the newspaper about that lioness which is living in the zoo. आज कितनी शांत है. Today, how quiet she is. How quiet and calm. कुत्ते के बच्चे से खेल रही है. She is playing with a puppy. कुत्ते का बच्चा is puppy. मैंने चकित होकर पूछा, कुत्ते के बच्चे से? I asked in amazement, with a puppy? दादाजी हंसते हुए बोले, हाँ कुत्ते के बच्चे से. दादाजी, that is grandpa, laughed and said, yes, with a puppy. यह पिल्ला कुछ दिन पहले किसी तरह रक्षकों की नजर बचाकर पिंजरे में घुस आया था. This puppy a few days ago had sneaked into the cage by somehow escaping the notice of the zookeepers. रक्षक is the guards or the zookeepers or the caretakers of the zoo. नजर बचाकर, just sneaked in without anybody's notice. पिल्ला शेरनी पर चढ़ गया और उसके बालों से खेलने लगा. The puppy climbed on the lioness and was playing with the hair of the lioness. शेरनी की नींद खुल गई. The lioness woke up. शेरनी सो रही थी. The lioness was sleeping. पिल्ला शेरनी पर चढ़ गया और उसके बालों से खेलने लगा. The puppy climbed on the lioness and started playing with its hair. The lioness's hair. शेरनी की नींद खुल गई. The lioness got up from the sleep. नींद is sleep. उसने पिल्ले को देखा, सूंघा और उसे चाटने लगी. She looked at the puppy, sniffed at it and started to lick the puppy. पिल्ले को भी शेरनी का इस तरह प्यार करना अच्छा लगा. The puppy also liked the lioness loving it in this manner. The lioness was loving, smelling and licking all this. The puppy liked it. वह खुशी खुशी शेरनी पर कूदने लगा. He happily started jumping on the lioness. कूदना is to jump. शेरनी भी प्रसन्न थी. The lioness was also pleased. दोनों को एक दूसरे का साथ मिल गया था. Both of them were enjoying each other's company. साथ is company और friendship. रक्षकों ने भोजन देते समय देखा कि शेरनी पहले मांस का एक टुकड़ा पिल्ले को देती. So while feeding, the caretakers noticed, the zookeepers noticed that the lioness would first give a piece of meat to the puppy. Mass is meat. Tukda is piece. So it used to give to the puppy first. Then it used to eat herself. फिर खुद खाती. Then only she used to eat for or feed herself. रक्षकों ने आंखों आंखों में इशारा किया कि शेरनी इसे अपना बच्चा समझ रही है. So the zookeepers or the guards pointed with their eyes to each other that the lioness was considering the puppy as its own child. इशारा किया means indicated to each other. जब इसे समझ आएगा तब कहीं शेरनी पिल्ले को मार ना दे. So, and it's possible that she may kill the puppy once she understands the reality that it is not a baby but it is a puppy. उन्होंने जब शेरनी को खाने में व्यस्त देखा तो चुपचाप पिल्ले को उठाकर पिंजरे से बाहर ले गए. So when they saw the lioness when she was busy eating, they quietly took the puppy out of the cage. पिंजरा is cage, बाहर is outside. शेरनी भोजन समाप्त कर घुर्राई. The lioness finished eating and growled. गुर्र. इधर उधर देखा. She saw here and there. पिल्ला कहीं नजर नहीं आया. She did not find the puppy anywhere. उसके बाद से वो गुर्रा रही थी, गरज रही थी और खाना पीना बंद था. Since then on she was roaring and also growling. गरजना is to roar, gurra is to growl and खाना पीना बंद था. And also was not eating food and water. उधर पिल्ला भी परेशान था. The puppy was also upset on the other side. 4 दिन बीत गए. 4 days had passed. दिन is days. रक्षक भयभीत थे कि शेरनी बिना खाना खाए पिए रही तो बीमार हो जाएगी. The guards were afraid that without eating any food, the lioness would become ill. बीमार is ill और sick. उनकी तो नौकरी ही चली जाएगी. They may lose their jobs because it is their responsibility to take care of the animals of the zoo. And if this lioness, anything happens to the lioness, they were scared that they may lose their job. क्या करें? What to do? पिल्ला निकाला तो था पर गया कहाँ? They had taken out the puppy out of the cage, but where did it go? पूरे चिड़ियाघर में शोर मच गया. There was commotion in the entire zoo. तभी पता चला कि पिल्ला घूमता घूमता चिड़ियाघर से बाहर चला गया था. Then they discovered that the puppy had walked out of the zoo and it had roamed here and there and it had gone out of the zoo. बाहर एक दुकान थी. There was a shop outside the zoo. दुकानदार के बेटे ने उसे उठा लिया और घर ले जाकर उसे रस्सी से बांध दिया. The shopkeeper's son had picked up the puppy. उठा लिया is picked up and carried him home and tied it with a rope. रस्सी is rope. बांधा is to tie. पिल्ले ने भी वहां अनशन कर रखा था. The puppy was also on a hunger strike there. It was also upset. It also did not want to eat or drink just like the lioness. Both were sad. रक्षक पिल्ले को वहां से ले आए. The guards brought the puppy from the shopkeeper's house. उन्होंने उसे फिर से शेरनी के पिंजरे में डाल दिया. Again they kept the puppy in the cage of the lioness. शेरनी अब शांत है. Now the lioness is calm. It's not violent anymore. पिल्ला प्रसन्न है. The puppy is also happy. इधर उधर कूद कूद कर अपनी खुशी प्रकट कर रहा है. Is jumping here and there and expressing. प्रकट is to express. It's happiness. खुशी, अपनी खुशी. It's happiness. बस, that's all. अब चारों ओर आनंद ही आनंद है. Now there is bliss all around. Only joy and happiness all around. So children, this was the story about the lioness. Even though she was in a cage, but when she got a friend, a puppy, she was happy. So wherever we are, if we have friends, we also be happy. And do you know children, which is the biggest zoo in the whole world? That is San Diego Zoo in America. So that's all for now. Bye and take care.